Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have double unboxing from Portland Leather. It has been a while since I did a sit-down unboxing. Hopefully you like the different setting here because my office is full of stuff right now, so let's get to it. The first one is the Oversized Tote in Caribbean color. This was from their 12 Day of Joy event. They released new product, new colors during their 12 days celebration. Let's open it. I'm excited for this unboxing because Portland Leather mostly released new colors on smaller bags, so it's rare to see them have colorful bags in oversized tote. Hopefully I will like this color. Open it up. They pack it really well. No plastic inside, so if it's rainy day, and you better watch out for the delivery. Their thank you card. Then let's take it out. So this is their Caribbean color, classic oversized tote with 10 color handle. They call it Tendo. I think this is the first 10 color handle I have from Portland Leather. I really like the combination, the contrast between this warm tone and the cooler tone. Usually I purchase from their almost perfect section, but this one from their premium, and it does look quite perfect. I don't see any flaw here. I do see leather texture and some slight leather character mark, but other than that, it looks quite perfect. Also, this is the first oversized classic tote I have from them. I'm considering adding a snap button closure myself because I have been practicing on that. So I'm ready for this one. It's really beautiful. So here's the color inside the tote. I've heard that this color is very similar to their peacock leather. I'll see if I have any peacock leather items to do a comparison later. It has a pocket inside. I love the contrast color for the logo. This smells really good. Smells like leather. So this is a good start for this unboxing, and let's check out the next tote. Now it's time to open the second tote. Open it up. It's the same as the first box, packed in this tissue paper with their thank you card. And now let's take the bag out. Wow! This one smells really good too. Smell like good leather smell. This one is in their pebble leather. I also purchased this one under their premium section. I would say it looks flawless. Wow! The pebble texture is pretty even. Wow, I love this color. I think I'm going to bring this out when I'm running errands later. Wow, I'm really impressed by this leather. It's soft. Let's look at inside. It's kind of a teal green color inside. These are unlined. And here's the texture of the inside part. This is their interior pocket. For this interior pocket, you can see unevenness for the pebble leather texture, but this is kind of part of the charm of natural leather. I love seeing this kind of chunky texture. It's quite soft on the sway side. And this one with zipper closure. Pretty smooth. I like how soft this one is. So when you carry this, it will kind of mold to your body shape. And here is the comparison for these two. This one is the classic open tote, and this one with the zipper closure. The shape is not too much different. The one with zipper, it flares out a little bit more. This one is more like rectangular, but still has this boat shape design. And here is on the side. I'm 5'9", and This is how their oversized tote looks on me. And this is their oversized tote with zipper looks on me. I'm 5'9". So this is usually how I carry their oversized tote. Even though it has this boat shape, but I always kind of hold on to this. It helps to stabilize the bag on my shoulder. I guess I'm glad that they haven't been releasing too many colorful oversized totes. Otherwise, I probably would have bought them all.
So joking aside, I do want to do a color comparison so that you get an idea of how these colors look compared to other blue and green colors Portland leather has. Compared with my new green tote, on the right here I have forest leather. Forest leather is a darker and more muted green compared to the new Bacalar vibrant green color. And for lighter green color, I previously purchased their kiwi leather as well. I really love this light olive green color. I love all the green bags and I'm glad I was able to purchase the kiwi when it was available. And here is the comparison of the Caribbean and the peacock leather. As you can see here, they look extremely similar, other than the Caribbean leather is smoother and more structure. The peacock leather is softer and has some pebbling texture. I don't think I can tell the difference if I put two bags side by side. But then the interior is totally different story. The Caribbean has this bright blue interior. The backside of the peacock leather is more muted and it seems to have a slight yellow tone underneath it. Since I love my Lagoon leather bags, I thought I would include it in this comparison as well. And then I'd like to show you this jade leather compared to this new Bacalar leather. Even though they are very different kind of greens, but I do think they could match up well. So which color is your favorite so far?
Thanks for joining me today for this Portland leather unboxing. In case I don't release another sit-down video before Christmas, I hope you all have a wonderful celebration, wonderful holiday, and spend time with your family and friends and have the best gift. And thanks for joining me today. I'll talk to you again soon, maybe 2024, right? Bye.